Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make this. So, please drop a like and enjoy watching. First, open a new file of size 1000 by 1000 pixels. Unlock layer, then click on gradient and set white to gray. You can use my code of gray color. Make a gradient line from side to side. Move any stick object to Photoshop on which you want to do this effect. In my case, it is a dollar. Move a picture with leaft to Photoshop. And then make opacity to 87 to 96%. It needed to correctly put the leaves on the object. After you set the leaves on position as you want, set the opacity to 100%. Now we need to make a clipping mask for the object. So click on the layer which our object is located with pressed Ctrl. Then make clipping mask. We need to get effect like this. To do this, we need to copy the layer with the leaves by pressing Ctrl J and then delete the clipping mask. We need to make visible leaves that begin in our object. I advise you to set the opacity to 87 to 96% and then circle them by a brush. The main thing is to make visible the leaves that don't start from the inside. For example, these leaves. We need to create a new layer on which we will circle the leaves, so as not to spoil the layer with leaves. So press Ctrl Shift N. I see two leaves that I need, so I circle them. Do the same thing with all leaves that we need. After we did this, set the opacity to 100%, and now we need to separate these leaves from the background. To do this, we make a clipping mask, then fill this layer with black color and then make visible the leaves that we need by painting the white color. For faster changing the color, press X.
Have I become a little too shy for love? I've been hurt before. All's fair in love and war. So I snuggle up close to the shell I'm living in. And if I let you in, another round begins. And no, I'm spinning in a vicious cycle.
Delete the layer with circled leaves. And last thing that we need to do is make an internal black glow. So convert this layer to smart object and then set parameters like me. We are done. If you want, you can write the text under the object. That's the end of this video. If I said something incorrect, please write in the comment where I said incorrectly and how will be correct. I asked to do this because English isn't my native language. If you want cool design or video editing, write me on Instagram and I will make it for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends who need video guides for Photoshop. Good luck and see you in the next one.